Look guys, I'm going to, open this. Ayan. Mag-unboxing tayo guys. Ayan. Look guys, I have three colors of bikinis here. And then, I wanna try this later guys. Ayan. Let's open this. OMG guys. OMG, look. Ayan guys. Look, a very nice bikinis. Ayan guys. Ito na naman yung aking if-fit mamaya guys. Ayan, I really love it. The maroon color. Ayan guys. The first color. Ayan guys. Oh, napakaganda. I really love it. Ayan guys. Ayan, buksan naman natin to guys. Another color niya. Parang ang ganda nito guys. OMG. Look guys. OMG, ang ganda ng kanyang design, guys. Look at this. Ayan, guys. O, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan, kaya naman pala ang tagal niya dumating, guys. Kasi sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa pa siya galing. Ayan, ang ganda ng kanyang style, guys. Ayan. I'm so excited of this, guys. Excited na ako na. Fit to mamaya. OMG. Ayan, guys. Ayan, another color naman ang bubuksan natin. Ayan. OMG. Grabe guys. Ang ganda ng design niya at ang color niya. Ayan, talaga namang pack na pack to siya guys. Ayan, the black color. The black color guys. OMG, ang ganda niya. Guys, look. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. I really love it. Ayan po. Ayan, for only ano guys, for only 250 pesos, 3 pieces siya guys, 250 pesos. Ang ganda, ayan po. Ayan, ito naman yung aking i-fit later guys, ayan. Na-excite na ako guys. So, ayan po, ang gaganda niya. Itong maroon color guys, ang ganda nito, ayan. One of my favorite color, the maroon color. Ayan guys, look. Look at the style. It's very nice. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda na ano. Ayan, talaga namang pack na pack to siya, guys. I really love it. I really love it, guys. Ayan. The black color. OMG. Ang ganda ng kanyang style, guys. Ito pala yung kanyang harapan. Ayan, guys. Oh, ang ganda. Grabe. Grabe guys, ito first color ko to siya guys, the violet. Ayan, unang color ko to sa violet. Ayan po. So, this is it guys. I'm going to bid this. Let's go!